Hi Ahmed.
Hi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
What are you holding in your hand?
Orange.
Which color is this?
Orange.
Orange. And
Orange.
what do we call it in Urdu? Naranji.
Orange.
Naranji.
Orange.
Show me the orange one. Orange. This one is orange. This one is orange. Orange is naranji. Or you give me. Show me the orange. Yes. Ahmed, what are you having?
Orange juice.
Orange juice in an orange glass. Mango juice है ओहो अहमद ये तो मैंगो जूस है in an orange glass. What do we call orange in Urdu?
Naranji.
Yes, naranji, 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 naranji. Ahmad, what do you? Naranji. Okay, so this is an orange glass. What do we call orange in Urdu? Naranji. What do we call? Naranji. Orange juice नहीं mango juice in an orange glass. Naranji. What do we call it in Urdu? अच्छा खाते हुए नहीं बोलना खाते हुए नहीं पहले खा लो फिर बोलेंगे ठीक है. First eat and then speak. Naranji. Naranji. नारंजी. आराम आराम से पीना है आराम आराम से पीना है स्प्लैश नहीं करना आराम से खाना है आराम से पीना है और खाते वक्त बोलना नहीं है Don't speak when you are eating. Good manners. Okay. Hi Annie.
Hi, is that Papa?
Which color this cushion is?
Orange.
What do we call orange in Urdu? Naranji.
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 Ahmed is making you laugh. Which color this cushion is?
Orange.
Orange. What do we call orange in Urdu? Naranji. Na.
Orange.
Naranji. Na. Naranji. 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 Which color this cushion is?
Orange.
What do we call orange in Urdu?
Naranji.
Naranji. Yes, you are right. Let's go and play. Let's go and play. What are you doing? Keep your hand on your mouth while yawning. Oh, that's good manners. Orange. Orange is naranji.
And I'm going to even give you ice cream in the summer.
Wow.
You can eat how much you
I love ice cream. I love ice cream. Emma, do you love ice cream?
Yes. You know what color ice creams I know?
So many flavors. Which flavor do you like the most, Annie?
I love chocolate, vanilla, and I have no idea what other is.
Ahmed, which flavor do you like the
I
most?
like vanilla, chocolate, and I like
Vanilla. Okay,
Vanilla
Mela.
chocolate.
Mela chocolate means vanilla chocolate, है ना?
no mixed
Mixed.
and out it.
ओके ठीक है अलग अलग भी वनीला और चॉकलेट और वनीला चॉकलेट मिक्स भी है ना यही आपने कहा है ना दोबारा से बताओ कौन से फ्लेवर्स हैं
Chocolate, mellow.
मेला मीन्स वनीला ठीक है ओके एनी आप बताओ कौन से व्हाट आर योर मोस्ट फेवरेट फ्लेवर्स
Chocolate, vanilla, and there's one more what I have forgotten.
स्ट्रॉबेरी
No, it's not
नो स्ट्रॉबेरी ओके
It's not strawberry. I have no idea what the name is. I forgot the name.
हाय अहमद
Hi, Emma.
नहीं हाय अहमद
Hi, guys.
वॉच मी एवरी डे
Watch me every day
ऑन यूट्यूब
on YouTube.
ऑन सुपर किड्स
On Super Kids.
आई ब्रिंग
Opera.
learning
Roller.
and
And
fun for you.
far away.
See me every day
TV.
on YouTube.
On YouTube.